Oh, wow. Hey there. Welcome back, and I guess we'd call this part two, but we're revisiting the Heritage Wyatt Earp edition. We're going to put it on some paper today and see what different types of ammo we'll do for this pistol. Say right now, the pistol is clear. You can see all the cylinders are empty. Yeah. I'm curious myself to find out what it'll do on paper. We might be starting out a little extreme here, but we've got it set out at 30 yards, and we'll go through the whole motions with this. We'll start out with the Federal Auto Match, what I generally use for everything here, and see what kind of grouping we get from this. I'm rather curious, but we'll go through a few different types. And that's all 6. Safety is on. Ear protection on. Eye protection, and we're ready to roll. All right, now that we've did a safety check and we know that the safety works really well on this Heritage, let's take the safety off. Here we go. Keep it real, guys. Keep it real, right? Okay. We'll clear the gun now and put it on safety. And we'll go check our target. Visually, it looks pretty decent. This is set out at 30 yards, 31 yards actually on this. Yeah, not bad at all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the 6th? Don't see it on the board anywhere. That's bizarre. Surely I didn't cut the same hole. Well, either way, that's not too bad. If you can remember where we hit here, we'll load up a different type and regroup and see what it'll do. So yeah, meet you back at the table. Okay, gang, we're going to try some of these heavy 60 grain sniper subsonics in this. See what they do. Safety is on, and we'll load her up here. Here we go. All right, that was 6. And let's see if we can find 6 more on the target. Then it's clear, safety's on. Let's check it out. Curious those 60 grains, how they'll do. And they shot low. Clearly shot low. Good group though, but shot low. Yeah. Well, as before, let's try another different one and we'll meet back. All right, now we're going to try some of the newer Winchester 40 grain lead round nose here and see what they do in it. Okay, now that is 6. Get my ear pro on. Safety's off. Here we go. Okay, that was 6 of them. Gun is clear. Safety's on. Let's go see what we did. Okay, looks like those was just above the last group of the 60 grain subsonics. So we're seeing them through here now. That's pretty good. On closer. Well, we'll see in the first, the second. Here's the third group. Let's get rid of this target, get a fresh one, and we'll carry on. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. This time we're going to try some of the 29 grain Federal Punch at 30 yards through this thing. See what it does. And we got a fresh target up, so no confusion on where our hits are going. Now that kind of runs together after a few, especially with 22. That's a lot to keep up with on that. Okay. Let me get my ears on and we'll send 3 more. And once again, we have found out that the Heritage Safety does its job, and it does it very well. And in my own defense, I'm not used to that with a Colt single action, so we take our safety off, cock it, and try it again. How's that sound? Keep it real, right? Okay, that was 6 of those. The pistol is clear. Safety is on again. And we'll check the target. thing, those Federal punches sure have a lot more, I don't know, punch to them, kick to them, however you want to say it, more power. You can feel it in the gun as well. All right, now that's spread out quite a bit. I don't know if it's a mixture of the, high power and the light bullet, but that's a pretty rough grouping with that. Well, as before, we've got a couple left, so we'll step back and try it again. Try to remember though, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's 6? Hey, right there. It's hiding. We found you. So we got 3 in the black and 2 below it. Try to remember that, and we'll try something else. Be right back. Okay, we're back, and this time we're going to give the CCI Stingers a go. This is another light bullet at 32 grains, so it's pretty hot, and we'll find out together, I guess. All right, that's all 6. Let me put my ears on and take the safety off. Thought you had me that time, didn't you? Here we go. All right, that was 6 more. The gun is clear. Safety's on. And let's go see where we hit. Trying to push the distance of this Wyatt Earp edition a little bit with that longer barrel. It came out actually to the rifle range here. I'm pushing it out to see what we can get from it. And it looks like it shot low to me. A little bit of a, I don't know, shotgun pattern. It's definitely hitting lower. Yeah. Well, we'll try one more kind and we'll be right back. All right, we're going to try the Federal Champion solid round nose this time. This is just a 40 grain, their standard stuff. And we'll see what we can get this time. Okay, I got my ears on and I got the safety off. And see what we can do. All right. Let's check the target. Safety's on, the gun's unloaded, and we'll see what it did that time. It seemed to do a little better as far as the elevation goes on. It was a heavier bullet. Standard velocity stuff. Yeah, we're getting good. Getting in there with it. Well, we'll take this down, and of course we'll end the video with a little fun. Try to anyway, and we'll reset back at the table. See you in a second. All right, we didn't get a chance to set the next ones up. We're going to try to wait this out for a little bit, but a pop-up shower came out of nowhere. So we're waiting it out. Bear with us. Sorry about this. Yeah, just came down in buckets all at once. You moved pretty quick getting all that stuff off the table.
Yeah, I'm drenched.
All right, we have waited as long as we can wait. We've been about 45 minutes waiting in the truck, and you see the water dripping off the bottom there. It's yeah, we got rained out a little bit, but you know, we're not going to end this way. I refuse to end this way. This video, some would say it's already a bust, but not me. No, let's walk out here a little bit. Got Miss Wayne with a phone in one hand and an umbrella in the other, protecting the gear. And I have set up these pop cans, so we'll stop right here. Yeah, and get my ears on, and you know what? Hold on a second. This video is already a bust. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set now. The sun's shining behind us, yet it's still raining. So, yeah. All right, now we've got the gun loaded with a Federal Auto Match, and we're going to try to pop these cans for you. Try to make the most of this wonderful day and this range visit and this whole episode. So here we go. Oh wow! And we found a dud. That's pretty interesting. There we go. Get the gun on safe, and I'll be right back. Okay, we got the last can set up. Let's see if we can knock it down. There we are. Now, we'll make sure to empty the gun. Pistol is clear at this point. No rounds in it. Safety's on. All right, as far as videos go, this was a wet mess, which means I'll have to clean this really well. That's a shame. But otherwise, had a fun day, I guess, and I'm sure you all had fun at this video. But the least I could say at this point would be please like and comment on this video. I mean, after all this that's went wrong today for us, it's unbelievable how beautiful of a day it was, and it just went like that. But anyway, we had fun, and like I said, my intent with the video originally was to just dial it in with a particular type of ammo, and I can see now we're gonna have to visit again. We'll have to, and you know, like I said, the gun is unloaded at this point for handling, but we'll come back. We'll come back when we're not interrupted by water and all that. But I hope you had a good time. We'll leave it at that. And we appreciate everyone. And yeah, I try to keep it real, but today was really real. There was no avoiding today for sure. So, guys, we appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Be safe.